What's going on, guys? Check out this super cool scooter we have for you today. This is a 2019 Piaggio 500 IE. This is an MP3 Sport in this beautiful green color, matte green. It's got the bag here, passenger seat. This scooter is 44 horsepower, which is plenty for a scooter. Really good around the city, 21,500 miles. CVT transmission means no clutch, no gears or shifting. It's just automatic. You gun it and go. Super cool scooter. 3 wheels. This one has a parallax lock type of a deal, so when you come to a stop, you don't need to put your feet down. Like I said, really good for newer riders who want to get out on the street but don't want to deal with the complexities of shifting. Plenty of space in the back bag here. Has a center kickstand. Overall is in great shape. Super fun to ride. It's actually very intuitive and easy to ride. Not complex at all. Come check her out. We got motorcycles, dirt bikes, cars, and trucks for sale. Located in Sacramento, California. We can ship anywhere in the world. Give us a call if you have any questions. 916-249-4291 or check out our website, motor-speed.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Is this thing pretty cool or is it kind of weird? Let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks so much. See you next time.